And it is time for another edition of What's Up with the Weather, and we have an Arctic air mass now intruding here in on the Delta, and it's going to be very cold. We're also going to be dealing with several threats of some winter weather, including freezing rain. Now, freezing rain can be particularly dangerous because it can cause the roads to become a skating rink, more or less. And how do you get freezing rain? What is freezing rain? So to begin with the cloud base, you have snow falling into a warm mid-layer of air. And this is usually a pretty sufficient mid-layer of warm air. It can be upwards of 40 to 45 degrees. So as that snow falls through this layer, it actually melts. And then we have another very shallow layer of cold air at the surface. This causes that rain to actually freeze on contact, causing everything to become an icy mess. Now, essentially, freezing rain is just rain, except it freezes once it hits the ground. And this can be really hard to drive in. It can cause serious travel issues. So if you ever do encounter any freezing rain on the roads, or if you know that there could be sure to reduce your speed. Avoid driving if you can. That's always the best solution, but sometimes it may be hard to do so. Avoid any sudden stops, and if you're sliding, be sure to turn your wheels or your wheel in the way that you are sliding. So if you're sliding to the left, turn it to the left, and of course, avoid any hills or steep inclines because sometimes you can lose control more easily. And of course, avoid bridges and overpasses if possible. If it's on your route, try to find an alternative route because bridges do ice before actual road surfaces because that air actually gets underneath and on top of that bridge, causing the center of the bridge to actually cool a lot quicker than the actual road. So the road temperature could be 38, 39 degrees, while the bridge temperature could be well below freezing. And again, if we have any freezing rain, bridges always ice first and can cause quite a bit of issues, and you can lose control really quickly. So always try to avoid those elevated surfaces during times of freezing rain. And that's been a look at what's up with your weather.